Mardi Gras crew, I think it is. Boys just broke. Very professional. All right, we're doing it. We're making a video, okay? Peter McKinney said, just make the video. We're making the video. I don't know if you can hear me over the exhaust, the air conditioning, and the worn out door seals, but we're headed to a car show and dry prom. That's what we're doing.
I don't you gotta do it like mine. I don't you wanna do it like mine. I don't you gotta do it like mine. I don't you wanna do it like mine.
Oh no, you good. I didn't even see you. I was sitting here trying to zoom in and focus on everything out there.